Hi guys, it's Melanie, and today I have a review for you of Bath & Body Works Mary Cookie. It's kind of difficult to see the packaging here. I'm going to go ahead and lift the camera up just so you can hopefully get a better sense of what the packaging here looks like. But basically this year's version of Mary Cookie is a little bit more sophisticated. The background picture is actually a picture of like some bows. It's a very pretty label this year, but you can see Mary Cookie at the bottom. So I really do like the packaging here. By the way, this is the Starburst Hurricane. I will link this down for you below as well. I'll also obviously link the candle for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with the description here, and then I will fill you in on what I get from the candle and the overall performance. So the description from their website reads, "Celebrate warm Christmas memories with the scent of classic holiday cookies made from vanilla, butter, and sparkling sugar." So Mary Cookie became an obsession for me last year. It was the very first year that I ever tried it, and I couldn't believe that I never purchased it prior to last year. Once I burned it. Mary Cookie is one of those candles that really truly, like on cold sniff, smells like a plain old, like seriously plain old vanilla candle. But when you light it, there is a definite cookie note that comes out. It's definitely a vanilla based candle, and the vanilla is really the main thing that you smell, but it smells like essentially like a vanilla sugar cookie with that like sugar icing that they put on top. They're like, I don't know the name of that particular icing, but if you get cookies at like Starbucks, a lot of times it's that type of icing that they have on there. I believe it's just like made from like powdered sugar. So, but anyway, that is exactly what this candle smells like to me once you light it. It smells like warm vanilla sugar cookies with that delicious sugary icing. This candle, despite being a like sugary sweet candle, is not overly sugarly sweet. I definitely find this really a neutral scent, something that is super guest friendly. I know a lot of people talk about that. I would say that the guest friendliness factor of this is probably like a 10 out of 10. I can't imagine anyone walking into your house and smelling this and going, "God, that's disgusting. What are you burning?" It honestly just smells really, really delicious. In terms of the performance of this candle this year, it's flawless. Like, I have it in this Hurricane because I feel like the Hurricane definitely helps to pull it out even more quickly, but it's not burning super, super hot, and the throw is amazing. So I'm going to give you guys a peek inside here. So these wicks don't get particularly big mushroom heads on them, so they don't burn crazy, crazy hot. This is my third burn on this candle, and the last couple of times that I've burned it, I had it lit for about 3 hours, and this is about 3 hours into this burn as well. So you can see that I still actually have quite a bit of the candle left. You can kind of see over here. There is a really nice deep, at least 1 inch wax pool going, and I love the way that the flames are dancing with these particular wicks. It just looks so pretty, especially when I have this going at night when it gets dark out. It's so gorgeous, you guys. Overall, this is a must-have candle for me. The throw on it is a good solid 8.5 out of 10. And the strength of it is also a good solid like 8. I mean, it's a strong candle. It's not overly strong. It's not overly sweet. It's just really perfectly balanced. I'm a huge fan of this scent overall. I'm going to go ahead and pop the lid into frame so that you can see what the lids look like for this collection. So they're these really nice shiny silver snowflake lids, and they look very pretty on the candle, definitely. I'll be saving these lids. I normally save most of my lids, but I really especially like these ones for this particular collection. So 2 thumbs up for me. Huge fan of Mary Cookie, and I plan on stocking up on this scent because to me, even though this is something that I really like to burn around the holidays, it could actually make a really good just bakery year-round type of fragrance for your home. So if you like it, think about stocking up on this bad boy during the $9 candle sale that's coming up. I don't have the date for that yet, but as soon as I know it, I will definitely let you guys know on Snapchat and on Instagram. So let me know if this review was helpful. Let me know what you think of this year's Mary Cookie, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.